Hi, I'm İlkay and welcome to my tutorial series Lightning Sibelius. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare custom key signatures in Sibelius such as this one. Basically, with this method, you can prepare any type of custom key signatures you want. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button below. If you like my tutorials and if you want to support my channel, you can also donate it via PayPal link in description. Since it's not possible to have these in a native way in Sibelius, we have to fake it. First, write everything in a tunnel key. And then come to the notations tab and click on this little triangle under the symbols tab. Go to bottom of the menu. You will see user defined area. Click on one of these three boxes and click on the new button. For this particular one, I need a flat symbol, a sharp symbol, and 1, 2, 1, 3 numbers as symbols to define the microtones. As you know, there are predefined microtones in Turkish music instruments and they are highly important for the correct musical expression, so we have to indicate to the player which one should play during the execution. Okay, let's start. First, I need to add a flat symbol and I place it a little bit left. Then I click on Add button under this box and I find number 2 as symbol and I place it next to my flat. Okay. And now I need a sharp symbol. I click on Add button again and I find my sharp symbol and I place it and now I need a 3 number as a symbol, so I click on the Add button again, I find my number 3 and I place it too. Okay, this looks very good. As you see, it is very easy to prepare your custom key signature. Click on OK and close this window. And now we can use our custom key signature on our score. Choose it from the symbols menu and place it to the very beginning of each steps and we are done. Unfortunately, Sibelius doesn't offer a complex microtonal playback yet, but if you don't care about the playback and you need to have a custom key signatures on your score, this is how you make it. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my tutorial series, please subscribe to my channel and click on the thumbs up button below. If you want to support my channel, you can also donate it via PayPal link in description. See you soon in another mind-blowing Lightning Sibelius chapter.